Hey guys, welcome back to another channel, and today we are doing some Roblox tutorial in Itty Bitty Airport. So this hack, you just need 4 fire trucks. Just do it like that. Now delete one item. Delete this thing. Just retry so you can see. Okay. So I think I'm not the famous people in Itty Bitty Airport yet, but yeah. So this hack you need just 4 fire truck. Just put 4 fire truck. If there's 4 fire truck, it costs just 160 k dollars. Yeah, not money. What is it called? Wait. Like 160 itty bitty airport money. Just that much. Just put that the fire truck. Like and the concrete. I use the floor, so it's easier. If you use the floor, I can tell you, like what. So if you want, you can put it anywhere you want. You can put it in this box, or in that box. So I just know it with this floor. OMG, laggy so much. So, after you're done making like that, the water shall be fishing this way. Then, grab 2 fire truck, put it right the opposite side. This one is this one is this side, and this one is that side. So when you're done, it will be or just make like this one. And this one like cool because the waters go here and there. So I think if you have the fire truck, you can do this hack or tutorial. I forgot what to say. Yeah, hack. It's so cool. You can make 3 or 10 tunnels in here, but it costs a lot of money. So yeah, you just need 160 k dollar money. So this is 4 and 4. 4 become 160 k. Because that it's not that expensive yet. But yeah. But when I play Itty Bitty Tiny Airport, I like to like throw people with this thing. Like this. I'm peeing out your fire truck. I like to do that hack. But yeah, I think that's all of it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Just like cool curve, huh? Just my brother said when the first time I make this one, my brother said you can make it all of it. So I'll make it just 2 only. I don't want to waste my own money. I mean, if I use it, what is that for? Right? It's back this one. This one, we can't put any floors in this one. So we just put it 2. Yeah, I think that's all of it. If you like the tutorial, leave the comments down below. What's it called? Yeah, you thumbs up in the video. I think that don't make any sense. But if you like this tutorial, leave the comments down below. It work. So you can do it in any day. I can do it in 2019, 20, 2021, 2022, whatever you. Or you can do it. You still can do it. The owner not going to be using this thing, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Very cool, huh? When you zoom out, there's like people buying weep, 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 or whatever. It's cool. But oh yeah, in the next video, I'm going to be posting about this. How do we get all these planes? Expect the Boeing 737. It's cost 25 Robux. So I'll make that video in December because of my birthday. So yeah, that's pretty much it. When it's dark, it's very cool. So when the plane in there, I don't know if the beluga hit it. Beluga hit it! Oh, so the big plane hit the water. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching.